Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The government has signed another deal with the Chinese government. This time it's for the export of frozen lobster to China. Details from TVJ's Andrew Ladley.
A new deal giving the local fisheries industry full access to the Chinese lobster market. CEO of Rainforest Seafoods Brian Jardim says the two governments have been working on the protocol for years.
We've been working on getting the other half of the opportunity to sell frozen lobster now, container loads, to China as well. It has been a process. The protocol took longer. And today is a big day for us because it now gives us complete access to the Chinese market for both live and frozen.
Before now, Jamaica was only allowed to send live lobsters to China. Minister of Industry, Commerce and Fisheries Audley Shaw says the new deal will significantly increase the island's fisheries exports.
There has been steady export of live spiny lobster from Jamaica to China since that time. The information I have is that in 2018, over 23,700 kilograms of live spiny lobster were exported to China. The expectation is that over 28,000 kilograms of live lobster will be exported in 2019.
Mr. Shaw says proper sanitation and hygiene will be a crucial part of retaining the Chinese lobster market. As a result, he made this call.
I urge all our relevant stakeholders and our potential exporters to adhere to their responsibilities to comply strictly with the requirements.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
The Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology is seeking to complete an electric vehicle policy during this fiscal year. The ministry says it's working on regulations under the Electricity Act. The electric vehicle policy is expected to pave the way for the use of the technology in the public transportation sector. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams says the Jamaica Public Service will be installing charging stations next year to accommodate electric vehicles. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.19, the Canadian dollar $103.04. The pound is costing $168.89, while the euro sells for $149.82. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 2,606 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 9 points. Among the winners, we had Siboney Group, AMG Packaging and Paper, Mayberry, Jamaican Equities, Express Catering and T-Tech. On the losing side, we had 138 Student Living, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Salada Foods, Epley and Victoria Mutual Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.